We're aboard Allure of the Seas and we're going to have a look around a Central Park balcony room 11629. Let's have a look around. Entering the door to immediate left is the standard Royal Caribbean washroom. We have plenty of place for your toiletries, commode, and a tube shower. Quite roomy. To immediate left after the bathroom door is another full-length mirror. And around the corner is a closet with sliding doors. That's where your safe is. Little shelves for your next to the bed. Put your stuff on. Very nice bedding and artwork. There's also artwork on the wall here, along with little shelving and storage here. There's a cute little living room with a couch. And your fridge and drawers are over here in this unit, along with a little bit of office space and your flat screen television and another mirror. Let's have a look outside. As I mentioned, 11629 is a boardwalk balcony. You get your own little table and chairs out here, and it has a double balcony. This is a special room. There's Central Park. Very nice. Let's have one last look at the room. Stateroom 11629, Central Park balcony view on Allure of the Seas. Happy travels, everyone!